back! It's your favorite giraffe, Alfie! And today, we're going to the bank! And today, we're going to open a bank account.
Yahoo!
Everyone needs a bank account.
Woo!
Your mom has a bank account. Your dad has a bank account. Even your grandma has a bank account.
What?
That's right. Bank accounts are ways for you to keep your money safe from robbers. Without a bank account, where are you going to put your cash?
Under a mattress?
A bank account may be free. Woo! Or you may have to pay a monthly fee.
Oh, come on!
When you open a bank account, you get a checking account and a savings account.
Woo!
A checking account allows you to take money out of your account without a fee.
Wow.
As long as you have the money in your checking account, you can take however much money out of it as you want. But be careful. If you take money out of your account and you do not have the money, then you will overdraft your account.
Oh my God!
An overdraft is when you take out money and you do not have that amount in your account. Therefore, always keep money in your checking account.
Yeah!
A savings account is for saving money. You never want to take money out of your savings account. You want to build your savings account. The more money you save, the more money you will have to buy toys, buy games, buy a house, and most of all, buy coconuts.
Woo!
With a checking account, you get a debit card.
Woohoo!
A debit card can be used at an ATM to withdraw money.
I'm rich.
You can also buy toys at the store using your debit card.
Oh, yeah!
But do not lose your debit card or give your debit card to strangers. If you do, then they can steal your money. Always keep your debit card safe in your pocket. Whenever your mommy or daddy gives you money, deposit it in your bank account.
Whee!
Now that we have the basics of what a bank account is, let's go to the bank and open a bank account.
Hello there. My name is Leo, and welcome to Animal Bank. How can I assist you?
Hi there, my name is Alfie, and I would like to open a bank account.
And you have come to the right place. But first, let me tell you about the bank. The bank has tellers, bankers, loan officers, and managers. Tellers process deposits and withdrawals at the teller window. A banker helps you manage your bank account and builds your money. A loan officer helps you apply for loans. These can be home loans, auto loans, and credit cards. And the manager makes sure the bank is running smoothly.
Wow, I can't wait until I get my own loan. So, tell me, Leo, what do you do here?
I'm a teller.
Wow, so you handle a lot of cash every day?
I do. I handle deposits and withdrawals. A deposit is when you put money in your bank account. A receipt has all the information from your transaction. It has your name, the amount, the date, and the bank account where the money came from. A withdrawal is when you take money out of your bank account.
Oh, really?
Now, let's open your first bank account.
Yeah!
I first need your ID. This is your identification card. It has all your personal information on it. Don't lose this, because then someone can steal your identity. Here is your new account number.
Woohoo!
When you go to the bank, you will tell the teller your bank account number so that they can bring up your account. This is a check. On the check is your account number and routing number. Checks are ways to pay someone. When you want money to be transferred into your account, you use your routing and account number.
Okay, let's go, baby!
This is a debit card. It is used to buy toys, to buy games. But most of all, it is used to buy coconuts. We all love coconuts.
Oh, yeah.
You use your debit card at stores, at ATMs, and online to buy all your favorite things. But remember, be very careful with your new account and do not lose your debit card. If you do, then robbers will steal your money.
Now that I have my first bank account, I can deposit my money, I can withdraw my money, and most of all, I can save my money to buy toys, buy games, and most of all, buy coconuts. Woo! Wow, what an adventure we had today! We opened our first bank account. Now, go get your parents and go to the bank and open your first bank account. If you want to learn more about the bank, subscribe to our channel and tell us in the comments what animal you would like to see next. Now go watch our next video on making a deposit in the bank. Let's go, guys!
Ay, tú sabes, mami. Ja, vamos para allá, vamos para allá. No quiero más problemas, quiero más fiesta y alegría.